Hi, it's Kassy, artist in residence with Imagine. Today we're going to make a quick Valentine's card using some wonderful Imagine supplies to make this mixed media card. So we're going to gesso these resin pieces first, and then I'm using all-purpose ink, and this is called Cherry Pink. And I'm showing you a couple different ways you can use it. You can brush it on with a brush like I did on the heart, or you can spray it. That is mixed with a little bit of water to spray it. And then also you can splatter it with a paintbrush, and that looks really great as well. And then I'm also splattering that background with the white all-purpose ink also. So I really wanted to make this frame nice and shiny and sparkly, so I'm using Versamark and clear embossing powder with sparkle in it to give it that nice shine and sparkle so it stands out nicely. And then I decided I needed a little bit of black splatter on that background, so I'm using from the irRESISTible line the Pico Embellisher in black, and then to finish it off with a little bit of Goosebumps in shimmer. Oh yeah, I forgot actually. I also wanted some pink shimmer, and the all-purpose ink is just like a flat color, and so I used that Rosebud firework spray to give some pink shimmer as well. So there's a lot going on back there, but you're only going to see a little bit of it in the end. So I thought that I wanted to have as much as I could. So now I'm just putting my layout together and sort of deciding where I want pieces to go and lining them up behind that frame. I'm using tear it tape to stick that paper to paper. It works wonderfully. And the backing of that tape comes off really easily, so it's really nice and easy to use. So now I'm putting the rest of my layout together on this card. I have just a couple pieces of pattern paper. I've done some fussy cutting. There's that nice dress form with the pink foil look there that I thought framed that that saying pretty well. And then I'm just using some heavy gel to stick down these Prima flowers. I want to make sure they stay in place. So any kind of heavy gel will work for you, or modeling paste or thick kind of adhesive will work for this. You just want to make sure that they're not going to go anywhere. They do take a little bit of time to dry, but just let it set for a bit and you'll be good. Using that tear tape again for all paper to paper projects, really I use tear tape because it's very quick and easy to use, and it works really well. It's very strong. So then for these resin pieces that we colored in the beginning, just using that gel again to adhere it to my project, and then also coming in with a paintbrush after to get anything that kind of seeps through the edges so that you don't have anything kind of hanging out over. It does dry clear, so any kind of gel that you use would dry clear, so you won't see it if there's a little bit kind of hanging out over the edge. But anyway, so there I just added a little sticker in the end. Now you can see in the background all that splatter and how it just kind of perfectly frames this whole piece and brings it all together. I love this project, and this is such a great card. It was super fun and quick to make as well. I hope you enjoyed this project, and for more inspiration, please visit imaginecrafts.com. Thank you so much.